Almost.
That was in the mic.
Did you hear that perfectly?
That's amazing. I'm ready to go whenever you are. You already know the drill, boys. Today we're going to be backtesting Mr. freaking Dow Jones. And we are on this episode 16 here on Chart Talk. This is 16 nights in a row, okay, that we have been coming on at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you're on this right now, if you're on the stream or if you're watching, please drop a comment, a like, something. Get this algorithm to show more to YouTube because look, even though we do this every night, regardless, doing it live is different. It just is straight up. And we're doing this for free for the people. We want people to see what it's really like to be a real trader, not just making edited YouTube videos all the time, posting the best videos at all the time. It's just, we know that's not the reality. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. So, our exactly. This is what we like to do as well. So again, drop a like, comment down in the comments where you're from, like what kind of system you do. We're trying to get this to be a community, right? When we're backtesting these setups, if you come on the stream and you're on and you see a setup that you would like, drop some comment down and say, hey, I like this price at 34165 to sell at. uh, we'll give you these props, you know what I'm saying? Like, this is it. While you're watching our system, watch your own system as well. Okay, so um same rules are going to apply. Let's break open the arsenal of setups a little bit, maybe. So I'm going to still use divergence. I'm going to still use impulse. I'm going to still use manipulation. And I'm going to look at buy stops and sell stops scenarios as well. Because I'm going to watch the time of day a little bit more. And you can too as well, because you've been right there with it. So. Okay, yep. If you see something, I feel you. Okay, so let's see how far back this thing will let me go on the 4 hour first, and then I'll try to drop down. Let me move this guy over here. And then let's see, replay tool this. I'm just gonna see if it'll even go this far with the 5 minute. Okay. Oh, well, I found the spot.
Dinosaur.
So we'll
That
just stay right here. Who cares? Let's just
man
stay right
said
here.
that thing said dinosaur. I love that. That thing is just so funny,
And that made me laugh, fool. Get out of here.
bro.
He said dinosaur. What? I didn't even know what that means. Okay. Well,
That's funny.
we're gonna stay on this right here. We're gonna look at is it gonna give us like if we go to the 4 hour, will it give us? Well, that's kind of cool, I guess, at least. Um so it's giving us what we can look at. All right. So how we do this for anyone who hasn't been on, right? It's head-to-head back testing. It's not just like I'm gonna just be on here boring you or whatever. I'm gonna bore you for a little bit, and then AB's gonna bore you, and
And then
then
we're gonna
I'm gonna
talk
bore
shit.
you. No, we're really gonna like we get into this. We talk shit a little bit. The first time we did this, AB came out on top after all said and done. The second time we did this, I came out on top. So it's 1-1 right now. It's kind of getting competitive.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like the Mavericks right now, who just picked up that boy Kyrie, and
And
he
I feel
probably
like the
feels like
Lakers right
the
now.
Lakers. Right?
No
So,
doubt.
so we're getting into it. We'll probably end up doing like a series of best of seven, just like the championships. You know, right now it's one to
Ooh.
one. So we do about 5 trades, or we'll cap it at like an hour and a half to 2 hours. We don't want to go past
Yeah.
2 hours.
Definitely don't want to go
But
past 2 hours.
yeah, and if we're going past 2 hours, that just means we're messing too much and laughing and having too much fun. But let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna analyze a little bit at first, and then I'm gonna do my first trade, and then AB's probably gonna do a quick analysis too,
Yep.
and get into his trade. All right, and then we're gonna flip back and forth. So here we go on the Dow Jones. We are in October 2022. We have on the daily, and let's keep it on the daily and down. Let's not go to the weekly. Let's just not. I don't see any reason for us to go to the weekly, since we're going to be trading on these lower time frames. And it'll just make it less time for analyzing everything. So on the on the daily, we're in this downtrend. Price is starting to break above this 50 EMA that I do not want on the chart yet. And to me, I would be looking at this like a big old macro fib level. And when we get into the 78.6 on the daily, I'll be looking for lower time frame opportunities. Let's call this a supply level, because it is lower time frame opportunities. Once it gets into that, I'm not necessarily going to probably take a trade there. This would be another area that we probably would look at for a fib, but since it's I'm just going to take the high road on this one and just wait a little bit. I honestly don't remember what happens here either, even though it wasn't that long ago. So let's see on the lower time frames now, 4 hour, seeing if there's any volume over here. And look at here, we do have this volume point of control sitting right in the middle of that zone. So that's perfect. Let's see, profile is telling me that if it doesn't stop right where we're at, it's coming up. So that's something I'll keep note. There's a little bit of volume down in here. I like marking these levels off. They're just clean. And then some more volume down in here. Let's go into the 1 hour. I'm noting a little bit of divergence on the 4 hour, a lot of bit of divergence on the 1 hour. So this is kind of making me think we're going to come back down into this level of volume that I drew. Where's my other volume on the 1 hour? Let's bring this in. And there's some volume down in here as well. All this has been messed with. Okay, so at this point, it's very bullish. It's hard for me to just say that it's gonna reverse just because of divergence, but when it does break structure, I'll be looking forward to come into these levels down in here kind of quickly because of the volume profile. 15-minute now, where it's going to be a lot cleaner. Okay, volume profile is showing. I need to get a little bit more price into this, I think. But yeah, if we break here, we're coming down. So let's come in here, something like this. Trying to, you know, not nothing too fancy. Coming down into this level here. Let's hold this as demand. All right, so those are kind of my levels. Really, this swing low, I'm more of a swing person than a level person. No cap, but I'll be watching that swing low. Now, since there's so much divergence, I guess if it does create another high here, my system tells me to look for shorts. Now, what I'm going to start really looking for is three wave divergence. So if I can get it to give me three waves, that will be more of a confirmation that I'm going to start really trying to pay attention to, because like I said last backtesting session, divergence is really tough for entries, really good for confirmation, really good for when to get out of a trade because the momentum is slowing down, really risky for an entry in my opinion. So we'll just see though. I'm here to play today. What time is it? It is a little bit too late, so let's go into New York. I see this play right here, but I'm not going to play with that. I think we are in
What time? What time would that have been?
It's like I think it just went into a new
Oh yeah, okay, now yeah.
day right there. So let's go to 10x for now till we get to about a New York session time. We're in London. It's just floating around, and it kind of does look like a fake move up, move down. If it would have broke this structure right here,
Then you
I
would
would
have
be looking for sells, but it didn't. So I'm still kind of, I don't know why I'm putting that back there, but let's go with this. We're coming into New York now, and I'm going to go to the 15 before it kind of flips. And there's too much time in between this wave from this wave to this wave. Now all this time right here, it kind of devalues that divergence that I was talking about. So if this does make this new high, it's not going to give me as much confirmation for the divergence. Just speaking that out loud before it happens. There is a ton of divergence on the 1 hour, though. I cannot lie about that.
Oh my lord.
Let me just see what this would look like on the divergence fib. And when it gets there on the 15-minute or even the 5-minute, I'll see what happens. So ultimately, I want it to come up here, though, really. Time is it? 6:15. Okay.
Ooh, that timing.
Yeah, it's interesting.
Good no play.
25 right here. I stopped it perfectly.
That was actually really perfect.
Keep it
Yeah,
at
you were
3,
right there.
and then boom, 8:20. We got one more candle, 8:25. Okay, I mean, this 5-minute momentum is looking like it's going to continue to the upside. I don't necessarily see like a breakout trade like I have been backtesting. I see that if it breaks this high, it's probably going to go up, but this divergence fib right here is interesting as well. So if the 5-minute creates divergence, once it gets right here, it might just be a shot I have to take. Ooh, huge volume. Okay, there's no divergence. So per rules, I'm not shorting this yet. This is actually saying we're going to continue to the upside.
And that freaking, I mean, that volume pickup, but it's, I mean, of course, I mean,
it's
yeah,
good volume.
It's good volume. Yeah.
I'm not, even if it does reject there, my system says no. Now, if we get another momentum push into it, it's a different story. Wow, it really just barely missed it and started to fall, I guess. Because now it's kind of coming into the 12 o'clock. I don't like
and
that
now
time.
yeah, like, yeah, exactly.
a lot of time in between this. So, um, what happened was it did break this high and it did make that push up, but it didn't give me this entry. I'm going to delete that.
Would you be
I'm going to
looking for
go
these buys right here?
off of a fib.
Yeah,
Nah, because there's too much
I
divergence for
thought
me, dude.
so.
It's just
Yeah,
like so much. I'm gonna just skip to the one because I'm not gonna play that day most likely, and there's still hella divergence.
and
I
there's
see the
even
fib
and
kind of
there's
play, but I'm not playing that. There's just too much for me. The
and there's liquidity to the
15-minute
downside.
looks the best, and this would
Yeah.
be one of those UJ fibs where it might slide under here and then go
Yep,
up.
and then go
Remember?
up exactly.
Let's just
That's
keep
the only
that
thing that
line
I
right
would
there real
play.
quick.
That's the only thing that I would play, honestly.
Oh,
That's funny. That's
slide up,
hilarious. That's
slide
hilarious.
up.
So I think we've now, yeah. That's
We've seen
the
it happen so
so
many
many
times. Even
times.
though it like comes back or whatever. Yeah, that's cold.
That's cold. Okay, yeah. We know what we gotta
We
start
know
doing for
that
sure.
pattern too much now.
Or we're like, nah, this thing it done hurt
Oh
us way
yeah, that
too
pattern's
much.
goaded.
Oh, it's goaded. Damn.
Dang. So just real quick, if y'all ever see this and then sideways, and then it makes another impulse, and you are questioning where you should put your fib, do not put it here.
It's gonna get eaten.
Put it here, and you will have a crazy sniper entry.
Because we done
That's
seen it like how many times in the past.
no, like 5 or 6 now,
Yeah,
bro.
and then it just goes and smacks. And it's like,
Okay,
damn.
here comes this damn entry. But again, on these lower time frames, I'm getting no divergence. No way I'm playing this yet. And it sucks that my system doesn't give me these like
At
break
the
of high
times that you
entries.
want it. Wait,
I mean, actually, it was
I
at a
was about
good
to
time
say,
right
hold on,
here,
boy.
but I still probably I
I
need
think
more
you
of like I need more of this so it can like break something, not just one little structure.
you don't want that one
And
structure
yeah,
to
I
be
don't
only
chase
one
like that, bro.
candlestick. I feel you. Okay.
Yeah, I don't just chase
I
like
get
that.
that. That makes sense.
Okay, now I guess I'll go to the 5 minute. We got a lot of divergence coming into this level, but way too much momentum. Man, it is right at this fib that or almost at the fib
Mm.
that I drew. Um,
Damn.
let's see if I can get an entry on the lower time frames. Oh, it's on the divergence.
This boy trying to get that super sniper.
Let's see. Boom. Okay. So what I need for my system to take a trade off of this
Dang,
confirmation spot
that's a
because
lot of structure.
I have no idea what this is going to do except it looks like it's going to go up up up. So I need this to come down. I will look for a buy at this point probably,
Yep.
which is really sketchy because it is hitting this supply zone, but this momentum is just saying we have at least one more leg in me. At that point, I'll look for buys, and then I'd want it to make a higher high, and then the momentum to make the lower high or something like that, and that will give me the confirmation to take a trade here. So let's see what happens.
Oof.
Okay, nothing worth looking at
That
yet,
looks like
but
Sunday right there, is it? Is that Sunday?
yeah, this is Friday.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Sunday. Yeah.
I thought so.
Sunday.
Thought so.
Okay. So now we're getting the retracement. That means this candle on this week ended so bullish.
Man, I don't know. Dang, I don't know how I would act if because real life I'd be like, wow, I can't believe the market came up this high and then it didn't get to that entry. Blah 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 blah. Price will then come back to that entry. Then
Now
I'd
it's
be
taking forever.
yeah. Then I'd be scary once to get up there.
All
But
right,
then
here's what I'm gonna do.
yeah.
I'm not trading off this entry. I'm trading off of
That divergence, yeah,
this
that's
entry up here, and I'll just
30.
take what I get right here. Where's my 50 EMA? Ooh,
Ooh, okay,
where is it on the 1 hour?
okay.
I'll take this. I'll go 2 to 1 on this.
Ooh, that boy said
But dang, it looks like I'm
boy,
gonna miss it, huh?
dang, that boy said he trying to shoot for that three.
Yeah, but I think I'm missing it because that is
Damn,
happening right off the open.
right off the open. Okay, but now's your chance to do some. You said you wanted it to wind up. Never mind.
Yeah, I wanted it.
Yeah, you want the
It's
wind up.
not really it. I'll
Okay,
wait
but
for the
question,
fib
question.
maybe.
Hold on. Now I have a question.
Woo! What's up?
Right here. Oh my lordy. Right here. Would you have tried to sell off of this right here?
If that was the only play, maybe. And I didn't really look at
You didn't look at the time for the sales. I get it.
the volume profile or anything. And really, if I'm waiting for this right here, I'm probably not gonna jump into something early. Just me.
Yeah.
But the strategy, if that is an account that we're playing that strategy on only, boy, that would have smacked Mac
Smizact,
quick.
yeah, because man,
Now I'm
sheesh.
gonna look for the pullback in short. Hopefully it.
Oh, that's a easy short.
Let's see if there's
That thing
anything
really would
here.
have had me hot. I would have been mad if it would have dropped like that when I was looking for it. Oh man.
Let's delete this at this point. Delete this at this point. I'm just gonna keep this in this macro trend line. I guess I'll keep that. I'm gonna be looking for this play now. So we reacted good off the macro fib, and now I'm gonna play this lower time frame fib, like I said I would.
Hey, before we continue, I just press pause real quick, P. I just want to peep. I'm a huge Lakers fan, y'all. I'm a huge Lakers fan, and LeBron James is about to go and freaking be the number one scorer in the NBA, and yet
That's
I'm over
crazy.
here backtesting because
Ooh,
I don't really I don't really care like that, because as much as I love Lakers and as much as LeBron is cool and everything, this is what's gonna get my back up. So
that's real.
I'm just saying.
That's real, bro.
I'm
Not a
just
lot of people put work into this like we do. That's for sure.
nah. That is for sure.
But congrats to LeBron as well.
Congrats, hey, for reals, man. Hey, honestly, LeBron, he can say a lot of the things that a lot of other people can't say. Like he's actually made a school. He's like actually created a school and stuff like that. Not a lot of people can say that. That's dope as hell.
All right, so on this open, if it if it breaks this high, I'll be looking for buys into this area because it's coiling up now. You just see
Okay.
what it does.
Okay.
If it continues below this low or below this
Mm-hmm.
high,
So would
so
you?
like
Oh, okay. What time is that right there? Not your timing.
4:30,
Okay, so it
5
came back
o'clock.
down.
Yeah, so this is getting eaten up if it comes back up here.
Yeah, it's getting
All right,
destroyed.
here we go. It's probably not now that I say that because it just took that high out barely.
Yeah.
But still, I'm looking for it. If it comes back up, I'm gonna look for the buys. I'm just gonna erase this for now. Time of day, 8 o'clock. Okay, here we get some volume.
Could have sworn I
AB
just saw
fib would
one.
be hitting for probably.
You said what?
I said an AB fib would be hitting for probably.
No, I haven't seen
Yep.
anything so far.
You wouldn't have played this, huh?
Nah, Chief.
That's good.
Yeah, nah. Hey, bros. Hey, don't. Hey man, okay, I feel it. I feel it. You gotta ask sometimes, so I gotta respect it. Oh wow,
Okay.
that thing said boing. What? Oh, that's FOMC.
Ah,
That's
see, that's
FOMC
the
right there. That's the
thing.
thing. You.
That's a W. Can I say that
That's a.
out loud?
You can say it out loud because you literally did say that that was getting eaten up, and that's off of FOMC Wednesday. Yep,
That's off
one
of, we
o'clock.
got a buy
That's
stop right here, and we're
mm-hmm.
targeting these highs.
And
Hold
they
up,
get
boy.
eaten up, man. That's clean. Sorry,
Damn. Hold up,
sorry.
boy. Let me just see if it
You
makes
got you
sense.
got it hella makes sense. Cause look
We
at
would be
bro,
playing it
bro.
on the
Look
lowest
at
time frame.
literally look at how it even came up. Like the way how it climbed up, just bullish, bullish, bullish. That's that's the sign. You know that's always the perfect sign.
And then it gave you this right here for
And the
one,
vol, yes,
two,
bro. You
3 minutes.
We know
Mm.
that that's the sign because remember last backtesting session how many times that happened that oh if it's
Mhm.
at that low and then it just keeps climbing up gradually, yeah,
Oh yeah.
you know what time it is. That's
All right.
clean.
I'm gonna count that, even though
You gotta count that eternally.
I gotta count that.
All right,
All
I'll give
right.
it to you. I'll give it to you.
And only because I was precise with saying exactly what the fuck was gonna happen.
I'll give it to you.
If it
I'm all
wasn't
right.
that precise in off of FOMC, you know it wouldn't have been played.
Right, right.
But it was too precise. I'll call it a 1-to-1 though, because I don't think any of those plays should be like capped on, because we don't necessarily. We probably would have had a buy stop here, and then our sell our stop loss probably would have been below this candle's low, and then this candle would have created this wick down, and then it would have brought us into a trade
And then
that
that would
would
have
have
just been
went
so beautiful. That would have been
crazy.
oh my gosh,
But
man.
we're counting that 1-to-1 because I don't want to cap any more than what I kind of already am.
Yeah, I'll take
So
it. I'll accept that. I'll accept that. All right. What time are you at right now?
Wednesday, the November 2nd at 1 o'clock, basically.
At 1 o'clock. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. Wednesday, November 2nd. Okay. It is currently 1-0. He just like hella hit a buy stop. Like that was pretty clean, and I gotta give that to him.
I gotta start. I think what we gotta do is we really just gotta place those.
You gotta play it. You gotta play it. If it's now we gotta stick to it because now it's getting competitive, my boy. You know what
Yeah,
time
we
it
gotta
is.
put the fucking thing on the chart. My
If
bad. We gotta put
if
the thing
if the
instead
long
of
or
just
short
saying it.
position isn't on there, then it's not gonna count. I'm only
Yeah,
gonna give
from
it to
now
you right
on,
now
you can't just
because
say it.
I'm only giving it to you right now because you've been on the chart for a little bit too long, my boy.
I agree, but I had to get something in.
Now you have to get something, and that was too clean. You did say it because
All right.
usually that would have been a 1-2, but it's okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. You said November 2nd. Let me go ahead and come up over here. Were you on the futures or?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Do you have to share your screen on, or do I need to watch it on YouTube?
Hold on, let me go ahead and share it on here, cause I'm tripping. There you go. Cause you gotta see what I'm doing. Ain't no way
Yeah.
that you're like, boy,
Yeah.
you can't play me.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm trying to get played out of here.
All right. First of all, get out of here. So you said November 2nd, 2022. Dang, TradingView is weak for this, bro. I'm not gonna.
Seriously,
They are
what
weak
is
for
this?
this. What? They're making a man a Wyckoff. I mean Wyckoff. I right now the simulator is making Or TradingView is making the simulator look good right now. No cap. Although I'm not gonna use it. Not right now, at least.
No, I need to freaking use that at this point.
Okay, right
Dang.
here. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, you said November 2nd, basically at 1 o'clock?
Yeah, let that high get barely broken.
Oh, at 1 p.m., not a.m., my boy. Come on, you tripping. Oh, that is 1x, first of all.
That's that buy stop from
Oh, that boy's in
Mr.
that boy's in the sauna. That's fire. After this, I gotta go work out.
Ooh, I think.
Damn, this boy's about to go and hit the sauna. I already know after this.
Oh, you better back that shit up, boy.
Oh,
I already know what could possibly be going through your mind.
oh, fuck. First
And
of
I'm
all,
gonna give you the benefit of the doubt right here.
thank
and
you.
see
I
how really
appreciate
play
that, my
it.
boy, because I am
Go to
gonna
the
play.
5.
So first of all,
It's
I
funny when you
appreciate it.
trade with someone for 3 to 4 years.
right? Because you already know he's like, oh, he's already
That's
scheming.
how we can be honest with each other. Okay.
Okay, so this is the buy stop that you just got in.
Yep.
So first of all, I need to go be honest with myself and go see what the time frame is. Ooh.
Hey, and you already
Bro,
know right
off
there's
of
a macro fib.
FOMC and then this big ass fib, bro. Actually, no, this is about to get. Yeah, that's a perfect buy right there, in my opinion. Ain't no way I'm not playing this after a news event like this. I'm gonna be like, first of all, I'm not gonna play it off of that. I'm gonna be real
Hell
with
no.
myself. Put the fib right there. I'm like, if this comes to the downside on the 15, I'm on the 5-minute time frame. It's getting played. Double top right
Ooh.
there. Okay. Ooh.
Ooh.
I went too
think
fast. It's okay. I gotta just take it. It's all right.
It's on that entry. Where is it?
It-
You gotta adjust your entry, bro.
I had to get the entry in, but it's okay.
No. Adjust a fib before the entry.
Oh, before the entry.
You got this thing.
Oh, then I'm in there. Yeah, but
You
I
hit
gotta.
that joint.
But we just talked about being real with it, and I didn't put the
No,
thing up.
it is what it is. You said it just like I said it. You gotta get with the motions.
All right, I'll give it the 1-to-1 then, I guess. But
That's fair.
it's fair. All right, fine. It's fair 1-to-1. Then I'll take it. But man,
But you said it.
But in real life, yeah, no doubt. Like, let me slow
Okay,
it
when
down
we get
because I
close
don't know
to
why
that
that's
entry-
actually really sped up. I don't know why that's actually really fast for me.
When we get close to the entry, just make sure you're pressing the next arrow, not the play arrow. Just the one candle by
The
candle.
one
arrow.
candle, yeah, because that's actually like what I was trying to do. But then, of course, price went bullish. I wouldn't have tried to sell
Ooh.
it right there, but then that sell off is just crazy, and I already know
Ooh,
what
so
you're
now
about to
I have
play.
something to play with.
So we're just gonna go ahead because we know realistically what's going on. We know each
We're
other.
we're gonna get this thing rolling. You know what I'm
Give me
saying?
a second. All right.
Okay.
1-to-1. Fibbo. That's it.
Fibbo boy.
Okay. Stop share. All right.
Let's
go ahead.
go. Let's go here. All right. Okay, so what just happened is this boy came up in here and it barely tapped the 78.6. And
That
now,
thing really did. Oh wow.
like barely, bro. And then
Mm-hmm.
we know it's about to do this crazy move. And it actually did this exact same thing, but like to the other way today, I think. It like did a crazy move up, down, and then up again. This went up, down.
Bro,
and then it went really
after
down.
I saw that, I just left the charts alone. I was like, "What is this madness?" I'm just gonna leave it alone and see what happens
Same,
tomorrow.
bro. I was like, what is going on here?
I'm glad I
Okay,
didn't play
let's see
anything.
here. So we have this manipulation now where I will 100% play this. I just got to wait for this to turn around. Okay, I'm going to just set it
Oh
up.
yeah,
If this
ain't
is
no.
it,
Yeah, you gotta set it up.
if this is it, then this is it. But I'm setting this one up.
That's too clean to pass up if it gets there.
No matter
Way
what,
too
I will
clean.
play this. And realistically, if you get a play that hits a macro fib, and then it does this, boy,
Ain't no way
I'm,
you. Ain't
I'm
no
going
way you can't. You have
extensions,
to.
not on this session. We're going 1 to 2s
Yeah, we
at max.
1 to 2 max because
Okay,
extend those. That might be a little cheating. Ha! I'm just playing. Not really.
Ooh,
Ooh, dang! No, don't do this.
I'll extend this down for now.
You gotta.
Ooh, okay, this boy is dying.
You gotta. Ain't no way you're not playing this.
Bro, I'm
There
playing
is
that
no
every
way in hell
day.
you're not playing this in real life.
But now I gotta see where it's dropping into.
It's dropping into the 1-to-1. Oh, that's a perfect
Dang, off the
retracement.
78.6.
That's a
Dang.
perfect 1-to-1 retracement sell off. Ooh, that's crazy though.
Ooh, this thing
Because
is
then
starting
it'd
to
be
look.
kind of a double dip.
This thing is starting to look like it's gonna do this soon. But who am I to say that? See what time it is.
Your
Not
P.
even close to the time of the day, but
Your
whoa,
P10
what do you
pips.
It's like I draw it perfectly. That's funny. Okay.
Let's see if it's
Yep,
getting
not
blasted
the right
off.
time of day, but we will definitely be shooting our shot here. I want to pause it and look at the volume profile in this level
I was just about to say.
and see what, because it's been moving fast in between here. So at time, if we break this high, I think we'll be shooting
Mm-hmm.
straight up, and so that'll be something I'm looking at.
For that
This
buy
is
stop.
also
Oh
nothing to look at,
wow. I
but
would.
it's you
Ooh,
would probably
what?
be looking at this buy, so we'll see what it looks
Would
like.
I?
Maybe
I don't know. Okay, this is the thing.
it's two.
It's
It's
literally in a bearish
yeah,
fib that just got respected.
exactly.
I'd be way more interested in the sells. Risky me, like if I was really risky, desperate, like I need a trade, but I don't ever feel that way. Like realistically at this point,
5 o'clock.
well, I do actually sometimes no cap because I be needing money, but still, it's like I be like when I be paying attention to that, I'm like nah, bro, just chill. Damn, that divergence though. Ooh, you gonna hit that?
Nope.
Damn, that thing might hit though. No,
Okay.
good no play.
Man, it's coming breaking these lows
Wait,
now.
question for divergence with the Dow. How would you play? Like what? How many points would you play
Yeah, I don't know. It's based off the 50 EMA, really, I think.
at that point? Okay, so you just measure
Yeah,
50.
I
Okay,
haven't done enough. It has to be like the cleanest divergence I ever seen,
that makes so
and
much
that
sense.
just wasn't. This is gonna continue lower most likely, but I don't have a play on it.
Wait, what time is it?
8:30, it just did that.
Damn it.
Okay, I'm gonna buy
Oh,
it
you
now.
already
Fuck
know.
it.
Yep. I already know you're gonna do that
All right.
because you got that.
When you're wrong, you're wrong. And it hit this volume level. Y'all see that?
Oh
Remember when I
no, it
drew
didn't
these
do
red
it.
lines? That's what we were looking at. Okay. Let's extend this up.
Dang.
It's a lot of time in between this impulse. Let me question this. If it would have broken this high, I would 100% be
Oh,
playing
I am.
this. I like the way it reacted off the volume. I'm I'm gonna give it a shot, but this is really not my play. Let me give it 15 minutes. Hmm. Is this my play, bro? Like, uh, it's the manipulation is definitely
I
there.
I would be the only thing that it's a AB fib because the only thing go ahead and flip that fib around. It's an AB fib for sure.
That way, yeah. Let me just see. Let me go to the 5
And
and
that is something that I would play. I'd play either one of
time
those
of
two plays
day. No, I'm
realistically.
not playing this. So
I'd
I'm
play
just gonna
one of
wait.
those two. Whichever one came first, I would play one of them personally. I might fuck around and play both, to be honest.
They can make a move up. Let's get it on the 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. New York, and
Oh,
well, that's interesting.
well, you just fucked around and found out. That's
um,
interesting as
let's go
fuck.
to three. There's no trade
Damn,
right there because we were
damn, that
looking.
was so perfect.
That's just crazy how those levels work like that, bro. That was not even the open of the
But then go
indices yet.
wait, now draw the fib, bro, because that's the scarier part.
Oh, and look at this pattern, remember? It's similar. It's that same,
Yeah, exactly. Draw the fib, exactly.
and it sweeps under these lows. Ooh, it barely missed it.
Oh, that's
But it does
crazy.
that, bro. It creates these
It
little
creates,
lows and
yeah,
sweeps it and then
damn,
goes.
that's interesting.
Okay, I
Cause
want
it,
it to hold
cause it
off
does it
before this
often. That's
opening
very
price.
interesting.
No,
Oh yeah,
don't break
you would you
yet.
be looking for buys here?
Yeah, but I'm not at this time necessarily.
Yeah. Wait, why? Oh, never
I would
mind. I'm
be
tripping.
now, like off this. So I'll play
Ooh,
this
but
buy
wait.
stop
Yeah, that's what I thought.
and I'll play it into if it I need volume in this, but it's not going to give me good volume, I don't think. Um, let me see why it's not giving me. Come on, here we go. Okay, up into here is where I'll play it.
Ooh, that's gonna be a tight stop loss.
Yeah, let's see. 5 minute. It needs to break. I don't want to play that yet. I do really bad want to buy stop it right here with this with a
With that wick, ooh, bro, bro, just put a bar stop right above
mm,
it. Exactly, just put a bar stop right above it, cause if it
well, let's
does,
see. Hold on real quick.
ooh, but now you have this opportunity right here.
I might look at this too.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like the way it's retracing. Okay, hold
Ooh,
on.
wait a minute.
I'm not gonna buy stop it. I'm gonna play it off the candle break.
If this next candle
All
breaks, okay, this is the one you're
right.
waiting for right here. Boom.
All right.
There
Let's
you
go.
go.
Woo wee. Let's see what this where was the line that I drew? Ooh, that's already here.
Ew. Oof. That's
That
rough.
doesn't work. That doesn't work out too good, does it? Let's see if
Go do the 1 to 2. Do the
let's
one
see
to
what I want to do. It'll work out like,
do the one
geez.
to two, bro.
This is not coming. I mean, it should.
When 1 to 1 hits
Is this
break
level
even,
just? Ooh, this level is strong though.
that level is strong.
This looks kind of iffy with the divergence too. Oof.
Why is that volume looking like that? It's so weird. The volume profile, I mean.
And then I also need to not mess around and miss this fib. Hold on. I know the volume profile messes up on the 5 minute. Okay, I'm coming into the 61.8 right here as well. This is the most risky play ever.
Mm.
But let's just,
But I think by the time price gets to the 61.8, that's a 1 to 1.
yep. All right, let's see what happens.
I think you're good.
The volume did increase off this break, so we'll see. Ooh. Not
Come
the
on,
candle you
shrink
want to
up,
see, I'll tell you
shrink
that.
up, shrink. I mean, there you go.
Oh,
You
yeah,
got
yeah.
it. You got it. You're
Okay,
good.
here we go.
Oh man.
Here we
Oh,
go.
that's cash money.
Is that 1 to 1 yet? Almost.
That's cash
I'll
money
keep it at
mark.
1 to 1 for now. Oh, whoop.
Ooh,
There we go.
there's
One
one
to
and
one
one.
hit.
Yeah, that's cash money.
And then let's see if we can get this extension up into this area.
That's cash money mark.
Nope.
Break even. Hey,
And then, yep. All right.
it was worth it.
It was good enough. That
One to
1 to 1
one.
was
There you
hitting,
go.
foe. That's 1 point though, baby.
Hey,
Let's do it.
hey, that's a free throw right there. I'm just playing. That's a
That's a
layup.
free throw all day if
That's a
you
layup.
ever
That's a
seen
layup.
one. All right, don't buy it anytime soon. Just kidding. Two.
Damn,
Let's
that
do.
deadly ass candle.
Uh-oh, another buy stop for me. Hit 1 to 1. That's interesting.
Interesting development we have here. And dang, that
Okay.
thing went to the 61.8 and then dropped. No love for the 78.6.
Okay, here we go.
All right, what time is that? Or what day are you in? I'll take it just like that. I have no worries.
Yeah, 10 o'clock on the 4th, Friday,
November
November
4th.
4th.
Okay. Sounds good. I'll go ahead and share my screen. I did not mean to do that. Okay, so oh snaps! Look, now mine's is doing that. That's funny.
Huh.
Or maybe it's just because freaking.
It does it on the 5 minute weirdly all the time.
Oh, now you want to go slow. Let's go 10 speed. You said November 4th at 1 o'clock.
Mhm. Coming up. Right there.
Right there, the exact
Right
candle.
there, literally.
That's fire. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna go
It
ahead and
misses the
delete that.
fib.
Go ahead and put that right there. Don't mind that. Don't mind that little ABC pattern that I got over there. All right, so price misses this fib right here, which I would have been extra, not extra, but I would be like, man, that would have been a nice play, but it's okay, 'cause I'll get the next one in. Sell stop for sure on the 1 hour time frame. I would look for at this point right here. If
Ooh.
price breaks, let me see what that. I want to see actually first of all what this volume's talking about. All of this got hit, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. Let me go ahead and put up this volume up here. Price came and snatched this. Wow. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to mark off this pricing. And then there's this pricing that price just literally came into as well. I'm going to go ahead and just mark off. I mean, I'll just mark off where price is currently at. Just because there's really nothing down to these levels until, let me zoom out on pricing a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, what am I doing? There you go. Okay, so actually, I like this better.
Yeah, once it breaks that,
Once
it
it
has
breaks
some
this, it's
downside.
gonna go to the downside for sure.
Or it's either gonna fake
Damn,
it
wait,
or
what
break it.
did I already have
Hey.
this? Oh no, this is on some right now. What's going on? Oh no, I gotta delete this, homie. Get out of here. That's funny. It's the long term. It's just the long term perspective that I already had marked up in the future. That's funny. But anyways, yeah, sell stop for sure is going on right over here. So let me actually put it right at that structure. That I'm looking for sell stops over there. I do see this buy opportunity, but it's on the 4 hour status, and I'm not gonna be over here waiting for a 4 hour time frame play. But there is interesting amount of volume that is right underneath of it, so that makes me even not want to play this, but this instead, which makes it look way better fib wise, right? Am I right, P? Like
Yeah.
that looks so much better. Yeah, and that's exactly the type of play that Dow Jones would do. So that's something that you can pay attention to. But so let's go ahead and go on to the lower time frames though for us. Because if this structure breaks, I'm actually gonna. Ooh, hold on. Am I gonna want to double up though? Hold on. Let me see one time.
Ooh, you wouldn't short that?
Ah. No, because oh man, I feel like this would just be like a fake out. No, I'm not with it.
Oh, it could be.
Yeah, I'm not with it. I'm not with it.
All right, I
Because
feel you. I
at
feel
this
you.
point,
Go to that 5 minute
hold on,
maybe.
let me see real quick one time what this is talking about. It would have
Oh,
did
that's
the one to
difficult.
one from right there, but there's not a lot of volume right here. If this breaks through, price is probably gonna go to the upside. Let me go to the 5 minute. You're right. Let me go see what the 5 minute talking about. Hold on, let me get some water, man. Mmm. Damn, this 5 minutes enticing. Because on the rise, no volume. What time is it? Oh, Lord, that time is terrible. And it would have missed my entry, so nope. That's a no play. Thank the heavens. Because I would have been not playing that at that time. I'd be like, nope. I don't want to get the... I don't want to have the consequences of having to deal with swap fees. For no reason, then it ends up being an L. Let's see if it's an L. And it's even on a Friday. Oh no, it's on a Sunday that it gapped like that. But
Oh, that would have
damn,
been a no
that
trade.
would have been a no trade. But still, it
Is
gapped
it
to the
Friday
downside like
night or
that.
Friday in the day?
Damn, it really gapped like that though. That's funny. All right, let's see what really goes on over here though. Gap closed. Price pushed down a little bit more. Okay. Hold on, Chica. Oh, what time is it? Hold on. Give me a moment. First of all, I'd be down for this buy, Loki. If price came to the downside,
That
I'd be
half
down
risk.
for it. First of all, let me check something real quick. Okay, just making sure. I was trying to make sure volume was good. Because, you know, just saw some double checking stuff. Can't wait till we get a producer.
The
And it's like, man, you be producing this stuff for us so that we can be creating the content. You feel me? Alright, so let's see what goes on over here.
Mr. Producer.
Hey, are we gonna have to call? Damn, we are gonna have to call him with that, huh? Him or her? Who knows? We'll see.
That thing said
Ooh,
bye.
this thing said, "I'm gonna pull up to use." This thing.
Mmm. Pull up. Pull up. Mm-hmm. Woo! Break right above to 33K. On the break. Boom. And really, I feel like if we're not using the exact open of that 30 minute to like that or that 8:30 9:30 window, you could use another candlestick. You know what I'm saying? You could use the 15 minute or like the 1 hour because the volatility is lower. Right. But that would have been cash money. Because that's right where that volume was. Ooh. That is. I wish you would have freaking played that. No, I'm kidding. Ooh, let's do it. It doesn't look bad. The only thing I'll say is the high is a wick. So like that. Yes, and that's the only thing that I hate about it. But I would be questioning playing this. I would want to play this. The profile looks good on my end too. Right. Right. And there's that wig chase. Interesting, yeah. He said, pull up, and he did, though. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so I need to go up till it breaks this high real quick. And then we are here. So it's breaking this macro trend, macro everything. It's got volume. It's got volume on the break. The break was at 8, 9. So, well, let's see where it could possibly come into if the volume profile. Weird one. That thing is good, but there's this high right here that is just like, and that has this volume right here. You see that? I need to. No, let me zoom in. Right here. Here's this volume that hasn't been tested yet, and it just got tapped, I think. Yeah, it's getting tapped right now. So I don't want to buy it because that would be the area that I would have wanted it to get into. Now, I'm not playing it. I'm not playing it, I said. But the next area that it could come up to would be way up here. And then areas that I think it could come down to would be right here. Of course, structure low that it didn't break would be right there. Let's go to the 1 hour. Here's another volume area. Same one actually. I said I wasn't playing it. I said it, I'm in it. And then let's see what happens. Let's go to the lower time frames. No divergence or anything as it moved up, so I wouldn't have been like, the only divergence part of it is that at 8:30 we had the most volume and the volume started to die off and price really started to increase. That's something to watch. That you will see price increase like this sometimes, but you will also see the volume increase with it, and this was dying. So that's probably why we see this kind of reverse how it does. Let's watch to see how this volume turns around. We already know it's about to kind of reverse soon off of that 4 hour. Boom. Y'all see that? It picks, rises, decreases. Doesn't make sense. So that's a nice little reversal. I'm not seeing anything. I'm going to get this line out of here, and I'll keep this as a good macro area. I don't need this fib, really. I'm not playing that. No, you're good. Let me see. Let's go to the 5-minute now, and we're getting some volume picking up. I see how bullish this is, but if y'all know me, I don't really care for super bullish markets like this. I like to find a reversal point, and with the volume picking up like this, that's good. I will be looking for shorts most likely. Let me go. Let's see what time it is. 12:30. Okay. It needs to break more structure for me. Because if I was going to buy it right here, I would need it to do this. I would need it to give me some type of a reason to buy it, not just, oh, it's in a good price, let me just buy it. The volume's picking up even more now. So this should continue to the downside. There's no play off of it, but this should continue to the downside. And when it does, then I'll be looking for a play. Okay, is this enough break of structure for me? Maybe. Let me see here. It's a good big move in a macro area, so I like that. It did come up into this level of volume and just reject it big time. So I would like for it to get into this next level of volume. So let's get all the voodoo off the chart and see what we got. Okay, correcting kind of fast. What time is it? It's in a weird time, like FOMC time. I don't know what's going on in the market right now, but I'm going to look at this.
I do think that FOMC was during November. I do think so. I'm not too sure.
Not a good time of day to trade. So I got to be realistic and most likely not take this trade. Even though
the way how it broke, you're not going to play it in real life.
That's tough.
It is what it is.
Right.
The way how it broke, you and the timing, you wouldn't want to play it. I already know you.
No, you're right. But it's just sometimes when that volume does certain things, that right there would have been like sketchy. Just not the right time. I'm telling you, bro, it's weird. Okay, this is coiling up. Man, this would have hit for it. This is coiling up. It's going to go one or two ways. I think it's probably going to go up, breaking this level, going into the next level of volume way up here. So 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock coming in, just going sideways. That would have hit TP2. That's lame. All right, here we go. 8:30. Big volume. Let me see if we can get the volume profile to tell me something over here. Oh, a lot of volume. Lot of volume coming into the market right here, but there's no chance of me. Nothing. There's no setup for me right here. So let's see what we got. Candle by candle, we get a break of this low. I mean, if it breaks this low, it's probably going to come down here. So I want to watch this. See how it does. It said psych bitch. Uh-oh, here we go. Now I gotta play. Okay, so I'm not even gonna worry about that low. I'm messing with these lows, and it is 9:35. Yep. Oh, come on. I'll play the break. I don't want to play this. Hold on. I don't want to play this. Oh, wait, let me just see if this is even worth putting on the screen real quick. Yeah, it is. I'll have it here to show that I'm gonna play when it breaks, but if it does a wick, that's not how I'll be playing this shit. Yeah, I'm just being, yeah. Because I might do this type shit. Yeah. Oh. Oh, see, no. No. Oh, but I love the volume that came in right here. Ooh, see, no, sir. Okay, well, I can do this. Now it looks better still. More realistic. Here we go. Come on. Time of day is getting worse and worse as it goes. Come on. It ain't coming there. We just got this volume pickup right there at this level. This like little fake move down. Come test. Little baby ass Wyckoff shit. Alright. Oh, he came back. Let me see. Now I'm getting scared because of the time of day. Oh. Come on. Give me something to work with. Give me some volume pickup when it does it. As the time of day breaks down, it's just worse and worse. It's got to be picture perfect for me almost. Ah, that is so ugly. I will not play this yet. It just doesn't, that's not a break that I play. Nah. I just have to wait for something that looks good. This is ugly. Oh. Alright. Good enough for me, buddy. Not enough volume, I'll tell you that much. But the risk to reward is good. A little bit late in the day. Might get chopped up right here. We'll see. Good thing to note before I take the trade. The volume, right, so a lot of price action traders, this will be a good one. Because the price action is beautiful, right? We get a breakage structure with a beautiful candle, but the volume is just lacking. Want to see what happens right here. Take the trade per rules. Because really, I'd be taking it all the way down to this next volume level, and that's a good 3-to-1. But I want to see what this does. That's a good candle. That's an ugly candle. That's an ugly candle. That's a good candle. That's a great candle. Alright. I swear I would almost even want to just like lower my risk at that point, but that's not what we're here for. Boom. Is that 1-to-1? Nope. Here's 1-to-1. At this point, woo! It's either gonna chase that wick for show, or it's either gonna reverse and hit that stop quick, huh? That wick got just. There we go. Alright. That was clean, boy. Alright. Let me find my stats. Hold up. Let me find my stats. Let me find my stats. These buy stops and sell stops, bro. What is going on? Another one. This boy's going in on these random buy stop and sell stops on these indices, boy. Tell me these don't work. All right. Smackaroni. All right, you're go, bro. I'm at Wednesday, November 9th at 12:45. Woo! So it does that fake out, and then, but I said November 9th at 12. It's okay. We're not gonna remember this shit. Go ahead. Nah. Just stay there. Yeah. Put a line there, dude. Woo! Go to the lower time frames. Go to 3x. Well. No. Now you have a good buy opportunity coming up. Where would you target?
1 to 2. Like I would already be looking at like, but if
Right.
if I could get a better stop loss, it would be
Got you.
I the 5 minute yes.
Okay.
I love the volume pickup and then the drop off from 0 to most.
I'm getting UJ vibes off of it though. I don't know why. I feel like it already kind of stole off and then moved up, but I shouldn't have said anything. I like it. No, yeah. Bullish. Oh, the UJ vibes are getting realer and realer. And no one knows what we're talking about. That's on you. I don't think so, because those are kind of wiki down there. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you, but it's not a 1 point break even. It's a true break even. Dude, I don't know about that one. That's up to you. That's up to you.
Yeah, that was good. That's an elbow rolling
Right. What time is that?
That's LA at 11:45. The sell stop is right there. Decent for you. 12:30 at Tuesday 15.
15.
Go ahead and let me see. Damn, I'm taking a huge day.
Not today. Finish him. Let's see if I would have played anything off of any divergence. Maybe if it makes a low. Oh, well. Then it came up here, gave 3-wave divergence. Probably couldn't correct. Yep. Then I think this is the short that you almost hit and you missed it. And then I don't know. This is the trade that you took. So it's about to do that. All right. And then wait, what's it? You took a different trade, I think, right? You took a buy, okay. You took a buy right there. Yeah, okay. Okay, got you. Okay, now we done hit this volume level and rejected it a billion times. The next level above us is gonna be, and I'm not gonna look at the price. I'm just coming over here to see if there's any thing besides this. I guess this structure point, and I'm just gonna start doing structure more like this. Okay, and then above that, there is some volume actually. So let me just use this line right there. And that's going to be my next area of support, I freaking guess. Down here, we'll move this up and we'll go back to the 1 hour. We have, so this level down here, I'm going to delete this, and the market just tapped this. I'm going to delete this now since it's been hit a billion times. And this has been hit 3 times. Okay. Pew, 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 pew. Here's what I see. There's a lot of volume to the downside right here. So I'm going to try to catch the short somehow. The market is picking up. I think if it breaks any lower, oh yeah, we'll be playing shorts regardless here. Okay. That is the candle I want to see.
But not at the time.
But not yet.
Wait, what time is it? It's Tuesday
FOMC
at
time.
1. Tuesday though? I mean, sometimes it happens.
I don't know what day it is, but that's what time FOMC happens. Okay, not yet. Is it going to hold at this volume level? This will be interesting. Yep. Damn.
Damn. And the volume picked up.
Still interested in the bears.
Because if it now collapses all the way down, then it's over.
Because it didn't really give much on this pop.
It really didn't.
We're in Asian session. And then we're getting into London, which I'm not seeing much. I don't really want to play this bearish fib. I don't like the way it came down. But I like the way it's correcting. So I need to assess this. These equal highs. It's like it broke them and then dropped really nicely. This is a Wyckoff schematic. And it could be the second one coming in to just do this. It doesn't have to take this high again.
It really doesn't.
But if it does, I might be watching for it. But this is retracing really nicely. What time is it? I will say no limit yet. London session. I like the way it's retracing, but I'm still favoring that downside break. So I need to watch for that. Okay, here's the 830, and it's not moving a whole lot. A lot of volume, not a lot of movement. See what happens. Not much. Not much happens off of the open. So very sideways movement. It looks like if it breaks up, it's going to go up like a little bit higher than I want it to go, probably. Let's see the volume profile of this range. Yeah, there's not a lot of volume up in this range right here. So I might look for buys up back to this high. It's a weird time though. Gotta be patient. Really weird market moving right now, just sideways as hell. Let me just move it up to 10 real quick and give it a pause. Coming into London, I wouldn't be trading yet.
No, you'd be exactly.
And now we're coming back down. We're still in London. Gonna
And
pause it
then
when we get to important levels that I would trade at, but not at this time. Okay, we're breaking this volume or coming into this volume level almost at the time of day we would be looking to trade at. Not yet. So now I'm really interested in these lows breaking at 8:30 because we're getting another, this is the thing. Buyers are stepping in right here, right? Probably some weak buyers, or hopefully some weak buyers, because I'm looking for this to break. And the more buyers that can step in here, the better for the Bears, honestly, if the Bears are truly going to win the battle, because they have to have people to buy from. If you're selling something, you have to have someone to buy it, right?
yep.
So you really need buyers when you really want to sell. It's a really interesting paradox here. So let's see what happens. 6:30, we're breaking lower, and that's just not the time of day that we want. We wanted it a little bit. I mean, technically, we wanted a little bit at like 8:30. So that's just how that goes sometimes. 8:15. And then here we go, 8:30. And we're coming back up into this volume level. I will be looking. Ooh, this is tough because this is UJ vibes now, heavy. So I'm going to go like this and wait for that 78.6 way up there. I usually don't play these moves, but now since we've watched this pattern get hit so many times, I'm going to start just watching it, period. Now, if this low gets broken off of a big candle, I do feel like there is not a lot of volume here to here. So we should see a downwards push. So I'll just say that as well. Let's keep this undefeated game going. Okay, we're getting some divergence. Not anymore. Duh. Okay. There's a little fib right here that I'm literally not playing because I think it's coming into that, and I would have caught the W. That's tough.
That is tough.
Let's see. Oof,
That is
that's
tough.
tough. Oh well. I'm still here for this. There's not a lot of volume up in here though, so it could just slide up. I'm here for the buys right here too, low key, even though I'm here for these shorts. This is a weird setup. Okay, let's get this a little faster. See if I'll pause it when I see something. Okay, time of day. 3:30, and it's coming in
Ooh.
strong to break these highs. It's
You
most
would
likely going to bust
be,
them and continue, but it's not the right time of day.
yeah, you would be waking up like in an hour and a half, and it
Ooh, I
didn't
hope
break.
it
So
doesn't break them. Don't break them. Come back down before you son of a gun.
wait, why did you?
Eight.
What time? What's? Oh, never
All right,
mind.
here we go.
Okay,
Here we go.
yeah.
Here we go. It's almost time of day for this thing to pop off. It's got this type of divergence here. I will. I'll go ahead and short this. I like the retracement. I really don't know how I feel about this, but hey, let me see. What time is this? 8:25. Okay, we got volume picking up really kind of high for no session yet. That's interesting. Let's see. Give me one more candle. I'm not sure. I'm not shorting it. Give me 1 second. It's not for me. You see how I made that decision? I'm gonna hate it. Look at that. I hate myself. Just kidding. Hold on.
That's rough.
Oh God. Oh
That
God.
is
That's
rough,
funny.
Aroni.
Okay, here we go.
That is
That's tough.
rough, Aroni, bro.
Why'd I do that? Why'd I do that?
Oh man, I was over here like, damn, pull the trigger, my guy.
Okay. Okay.
It's all good.
We're gonna
But now
see
right
if this
here,
lower time frame is gonna give me love off of this area.
that is
I
actually
say this
extra love.
all the time,
That is actually extra love right there because you always say
but the
that.
wick is the problem.
The wick is the issue because if it's a wick chasing move, it's some bullshit. Oh, set the trade.
Pretty tight. Nope.
Damn, nope.
Damn. Damn, I had that shit.
Damn, that's tough.
Well, that's telling me just stick with it, ride it out.
You have sell stop opportunities coming up though.
Ah. I'll be buy stopping the mess out of this
If it
if
breaks
it comes
out,
up here.
ooh, it might be corny.
Man.
Damn, this is ugly.
Sideways.
Oh my boy, we might have to cut this short because it is almost 10.
Yeah.
And you already like whipped my ass, so this might be it.
This thing is sideways
Cause
as it
that's
gets right here.
yeah, that's sideways as hell. Now, yeah, let's cut it short right here, man, because
All right, bro. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine, bro.
I took
All
this
right, guys.
L.
I hit. What did I get at? Let me just end the session.
Slam
Making sure we
dunked on
can
my ass.
see the stats real quick. I went 3-0, all buy stops and sell stops, 1-1, 1-1, 1-2.
And I went
So that's
and
total 4 points.
and then I went, let me go ahead. And I went 1 and 2. I won 1 and I lost 2, so -1 to 1, all fibos because I played myself and didn't play my freaking spy stop that I wanted that would have smacked. So all in all, I made -1. So that's the W for P.
All right.
Well, hold on, let me put total. All right, y'all. So thanks for hopping on. For those who hopped on, thanks P for getting me this ass whooping. Because now next time I'm gonna give you that one. You know what I'm saying?
We will see about that. We will see.
All
Definitely.
right,
All right, y'all. Take
all
care.
right, y'all. You have a good night.